All right, today, this video, this is gonna be for, oh, your worst nightmare? That's right, it's called jump rope. Anyways, this is gonna be a cardio circuit for those of you who work out at home, beginners, and those elite, all-star home fitness people. All of you. Stick around. By the way, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share with your friends. This is gonna be a great one. You're gonna get some great information, I promise. So to start things out, when it comes to your cardio, remember, you want your cardio to work for you. You don't wanna work for your cardio. It's just like when you buy stocks, just saying. Anyways, what you need to focus on, based off your diet, is going to base what your cardio is. Now, this cardio circuit I'm about to show you is not meant for those of you trying to do it in a fasted state, because that'll actually slow down your progress. It'll allow more body fat to stick around. It'll burn through more muscle mass. No, because this particular cardio is actually gonna be using the same type of fuel that your muscles use, which is glycogen. That being said, do not, I repeat, do not do this cardio circuit before you do your regular lift. And I'm talking right before. You can do it like the morning before, like say it's morning time, you already had your meal, it's about an hour and a half. Afterwards, you do this little cardio circuit, okay, great. You go work out middle of the day or even in the evening, that's fine. But if you're like, just got home from work, you're about to slam some weights and everything, do not warm up with this. This is a bad move. This is gonna open you up for injury. We don't want that. Anyways, going on a tangent. That's for another video. Stay tuned for those. Anyways, we're gonna start out, hometown favorite, the greatest ever, the cheapest thing you could buy in your entire home workout. You can find these for about $1. This is the jump rope. The jump rope. So literally, you're just gonna get yourself warmed up. You're gonna do, the jump rope is against me. All right, jump rope already giving me problems. I know how all of you feel at home. Anyways, you're gonna do about 30 seconds, just simply skipping some rope. You know, 30 seconds, no big deal. Like, anybody can do this. Crisscross, have some fun with it. Screw the jump rope. Jump rope's mean. Anyways, you're gonna take about anywhere between like a 10 to 30 second rest, just so you can get your heart rate back down. Because jumping rope, not easy. After that, we're gonna go into everyone's favorite, line. Anyways, we're gonna go into burpees. We're gonna put the chest on the floor. So, you're gonna start out, bend your knees, put your hands on the ground, kick those feet out, do your push up, come back up, and jump. Now, the reason why we're doing the jump, you're burning extra calories. What you're gonna do here, you have 10, if you're out of shape, and you're just getting started, 10 of those. But if you're in shape, you're a god, go up to 30, I don't care, do a lot. But as soon as you're done, remember, the rest time should only be about 10 to 30 seconds. We want to keep that heart going, we just want it to come down, back into a reasonable range before you get to the next exercise. All right, so after you do your burpees, after you do your jump rope, you're just kind of like, wow, that's it? That's all? No, you got 2 more exercises. You're better than that. You can push, you can get this. What you're gonna do next, so simple. You're just doing a squat jump. Feet just outside of the hips, or you can even go a little more narrow if you want, because you're trying to generate that power. If you're in better shape, go with your feet a little more narrow, try and get super high. So you're just gonna squat down, jump as high as you can, all right? If you're a little out of shape, feet slightly wider, you're gonna squat down and just hop off the ground. A little hop, it's okay. Get a little credit card under there, you're good. You're good. I just need your feet to leave the ground. Basically, your feet leaving the ground, that's gonna make it to where you're working the 3-joint extension. So by 3-joint, I mean hip, knee, ankle. 3 joints. That means you're actually working the glutes, hamstrings, quads, calves. Getting it all by working all 3 of those muscle groups shoots that heart rate through the roof, okay? But for you beginners out there, I only want 10. I only want 10. Yes, you're gonna do more sets. Okay, it's fine, it's okay, you're gonna get better. Those of you who are really in shape, I want 30 to 50. Not even kidding, 30 to 50. Push yourselves, you can do this. All right, last but not least, we're gonna go into the mountain climbers. Yeah, we're climbing Everest with this one. Better watch out, ladies and gentlemen. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna be down on the ground, push-up position. Now there's two ways to do this. You have your feet staggered, or have your feet bolt together. But feet together, you're here, you're just running in place. Feet staggered, you got one foot up, the other one's here. Now the main difference here is how you're hitting the abs. When your feet are staggered like that, you're gonna get a little bit more into the obliques, you're gonna get your knees higher, but when your feet are both back, you're gonna hit a little more just into the abdomen. Maybe you get a little bit into the lower ab, but mainly abs, okay? And it's working on your cardio, as well as it's burning the shoulders. So that's actually a phenomenal one to end with, because then you're gonna go right back to your jump rope, which that's gonna just burn out those shoulders. As you're about to go back into the burpees, more shoulder work. So you're gonna not only see the definition coming out after a while, but you're also gonna feel the burn. And that's how you're actually gonna drop all that unwanted body fat, and that's how you're gonna see results faster. But remember, what I want you to do is this is separate from your normal workouts. This is not taking place of, this is not a workout, this is your cardio. Cardio, that's all it is. You still need to work out. You still need to stretch. You still need to eat properly. You better eat properly. I don't want anybody in the comments below talking about like, oh, I did your cardio stuff, I gained 3 pounds, well you're eating pizza. Stop it. It's not gonna work. Gotta have a clean diet as well. Anyways, I don't think I said it. Mountain climbers, beginners, 30 on each leg. You high-end, amazing cardio gods. Go up to 100 on each leg. Go up to a full minute, doesn't matter. Race against the clock. But keep the rest time down to 10 to 30 seconds, okay? We want those short rest times. What's gonna happen in the beginning is you're gonna be really, really winded. Give it about 2 weeks, you're gonna be like, this isn't so bad. I'm catching my breath. This is good. That's how you know you're getting in better shape. I hope this helps you out. I hope you take this to heart. I hope you share with your friends. Hit the like button, subscribe. Yeah, shameless plug, that's all me. Anyways, have a great day. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, throw it in the comments section. Shoot me a message, I don't care. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Everything is under Training by Audric. Have a great day.